Great location in Canary Wharf. Great location in Canary Wharf. Clean hotel with big room, well recommend. Can't find any fault with the hotel, everything was wonderful, including the service, cleanliness, and facilities. Nearby a substation as well, so it was really convenient as it is located near the CBD. Top venue. Lovely hotel. Staff were very accommodating with a glass of bubbles at reception on arrival. Breakfast was amazing, huge buffet. Room was lovely. Hilton Canary Wharf, posh area and good value for money, smiley face. Excellent. Stayed for 2 nights. Amazing service by staff at the reception, especially Mr. Brian, who was very helpful in checking us in. Mr. Abdullah at the concierge helped us with all our bags, 12 suitcases, effortlessly. Thank you, Hilton. Great experience, keep up the great work. Exceptional, great hotel. Excellent, would definitely recommend the Hilton. Great location, fabulous room, staff couldn't be any nicer. Will definitely use again. Free upgrade. Hotel staff were very polite. Got a free upgrade to an executive room upon checking in. Hotel was clean and modern. This is how you expect the Hilton to be. Perfect location for our night out with my daughter, nearly at the O2, accessible to everything, near the tube station, mall. Very clean and spacious room, quiet and friendly staff. Special touches count. Great location for O2 is only 1 stop away by tube. Within very close location to DLR and tube stations. Complimentary Prosecco on arrival and Bucks Fizz at breakfast really makes your stay that little bit more special. Super restaurants nearby and you can eat at the hotel with reasonable prices. Very friendly staff, always happy to help. Great night's sleep with luxurious bedding. Great location if you go to O2. Excellent service manager and breakfast room. Thank you again.